My name is Nothando Pepe. I'm 21 years old. I reside in Country Park.
Okay, so my name is Leroy King Mlojwa. I joined the family business quad bikes. So vele quad bikes izinto zami vele nongaletha anything anya kuvusela even makufile noma yini.
Well, in my last relationship, i-problem kwakuyi-distance yabona. So uthi mina ngihlalela uPane and uGayi uhlala eBulawayo. Of course wabona and then it led to the end of it.
Okay, what happened is it's actually funny because there's this chick sahlangana eMatoposeli Club. She was into me, but mina I wasn't into her. So she took my number. Then we started talking on app. Then when we finally got to meet in person, she was into money or slay queen. Mina imali zami andithandi unika amankazana yabo. Laba nawa so abanye ababhadalela school fees so nya bengathandi udlalisa imali emankazaneni. Then sadate ngabo uthanda imali then ngabe ngisidanga sibe ngabangani. Then sawa abangani from friends to best friends vele umngani wami. Izinto zothando ngabe ngichaya kancane but serious I'm looking for someone to love.
I've been single for about 4 months.
I don't miss my ex. She was the worst, bro. I don't miss her.
Well, mina kahle kahle ngifuna uGayi fun to be around. Ongekho too serious yabona, but mature though. Well, physically angikhethi kangako but akumelanga abe mubi kakhulu. But then yeah, I think that's all.
Like I'm into colors. Even ngazobe skinny but fat yabo but umuhle ulicolor uyangena straight. But wamnyama it's rare to find me dating abantu abamnyama. Mina even ungela mali but ulicolored ngizakuphucula mina. Yabo. Yeah. Type ethanda udlala abafana kakhulu because mina jealousy type. Ayithanda udlala abafana kakhulu lethanda imali.
Imali is not really that important relationship yabona. So
at least unganikuthanda lami unikuthanda yabe mbona umuntu uyandithanda even nyabe sengikuthengela lami one or two things but uma umuntu la anochona cela imali lami ngizabhuwakala vele ngitshane lawo.
Yeah, ukuthi umuntu ahlavela ukutshela ukuthi uyakuthanda at first sight, yeah, that's a turn off because awungekuthanda umuntu usambona yabona. Yeah.
Mina vele ngizithandela colored ba.
There is a difference between love and like.
Mina vele ngizithandela colored ba.
Yes, you can like someone at first sight, but then you can't love someone at first sight. If these dates work out, I'm looking for fun.
I can't say I'll marry and stuff. Obviously, some years later.
It can be serious maybe later, but for now, I'm just looking for fun.
For now, yeah. Singayenza izinto eziserious. Started 2 to 3 years. Yeah.
Well, I'm not censoring it really, but I'm looking for fun. That's what I can say. I read novels. I watch movies. Yeah, that's what I do for fun. Maybe going out for movies, I want to cinema, something like that.
For fun? For fun, I just take my quad bike. I have a business of quad bikes, but I got one quad bike at home. I just take it, then drive around town. I like any footage like a town, fun one by 3-wheeler like the bike like here circulate video yankon. Yeah, that's me, King.
Well, I can cook, but no, I'm not that good, but I do cook.
Yeah, I can. My mother taught me how to cook because I used to stay. It was just me and my mother. So I cook, I clean. Yena uyahamba ekuseni emsebenzini ephinde wabo 9. So vele mawuthi nyabe ngikhona endlini ime ngenza yonke into. So vele specifically ngikazana emzimbeni omfana because ngenza yonke into even nyamwatshele but ngiyamthanda uMasalambe ngiyenza konke kwalo.
Well, my worst experience, ukuthi guy was talking more about himself more than Tina, but yena ngokwakhe, that's what he was all talking about. Ukuthi mina I'm this, mina I'm that.
So my worst dating experience is when I went out with this chick. We were talking, but she was busy on her phone. I had to find out that she was texting another dude. So I got really pissed off. Then ngasuma ngahamba ngamchiya vele. Ngabhadalanga futhi. Apho ngwethayo ngike toilet ngatsamaya.
The benefits of dating me is that you'll be well entertained. Well, my pockets also get a bit dry because I'm not the kind that asks for money. But then I don't really give a guy money. Because hey, if you give them money, it turns out to be a disaster.
Ngiyakunika uthando like kuyabe kuyimi ngedwa empilweni yakho. Angikwazi kuwe but kimi on my side kuyabe kunguwe wedwa empilweni yakho. Ngingathola ukuthi vele awuthanda imali staff angicela imali mina ngizagcina ngiyenza uthando ukungicela imali because ngiyabe sengikuspoila vele every day even lasebusuku ngispoil. Then obviously adrenaline yama quad bikes asitshona sonke going even kuma adventures because like silama quad bike even lase Vic Falls sabe sihamba sonke. Yeah. Yeah, bafethu sengikhona la. My name is Leroy King. I'm waiting for my date. It's a blind date. Angikwazi ukuthi ngubani, but I'm hoping ukuthi umuntu omuhle blind. Ole great body, ole colored, yeah. Engamthanda. So sengimelele.
Hi.
Yebo.
Ngishap.
Yeah, ngisho. Wahlala phansi. Sumani bizo la.
Mina unothando wena la kombani.
Mina uLeroy.
I-first impression yami on uLeroy ubengani ngumuntu oyethukileyo, ingani ngakho sure ukuthi ufuna kuba lapha kumbe njani ngoba malibonile ekuqaliseni ubengani uthensi kancane. Ubengekho relaxed, so hayi kuhle kwaba ngani turn off kancane khona okhana. Ukuthi umuntu vele abona noma uyethukile kancane akumelanga ushowe, kumele la ungani uyarelaxa kancane. Ngikhona i-conversation zangikhona zizaphuma kahle. Yabo? Okay, so uhlala nga?
Ngihlala emakhandeni ngihlala.
Ngihlala eCouch.
Ngihlala eCouch Park. Also singumakhelwane.
Hayi singatsho njalo.
How many years?
Nande 21.
21. Okay. Mina ndi 19. So I guess umkhulu wela.
Okay, but the age is just the number.
Yeah, it's just enough. So what are you into?
Mina I'm into media.
Just media.
Yeah, everything that has to do with media.
Okay.
Wena?
Mina I'm into adrenaline of quad bikes. Yeah.
Nice.
I love quad bikes and decided to do business on quad bikes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's quite an achievement.
Yeah, it is. So can you please tell me more about yourself?
Well, njoba sengitshilo mina ngihlala eCountry Park, ngiyi-second-year student eLupane State. Yeah, that's all.
That's all. There's no more.
Yeah. Okuningi ngokukhangeleyo.
Oh, okay. So what happened in your last kwenzakalani ku relationship yakhe yokuqala?
Well, kahle ngithi i-distance happened. Yabo?
So ayala umuntu just because of i-distance.
Anti yakwazi ukuthi uma ungekho abantu bayajola into ezinjalo.
But still, if you loved the guy, wawuyamelela.
Ngangiyamelela?
Yeah.
Awuvumi.
Indawo ungavumi.
Angeke ngikwekela ujola ngihlale kanjalo nje.
No, wena uthi i-long distance ani. So wawungakwazi ukuthi yajola unjani.
Obviously into ziyaphuma yabona. Akulanto ehlala i-secret.
Oh, so wena wa find out ukuthi yajola.
uLeroy is not mature enough for mina, and indlela acabanga ngayo mina bochis boy vele asizwanani, yabona. Mina ngifuna umuntu okwanisa ukuba nguye, hayi khona umuntu angazi ukuthi ngakubeka ngithini, but ngifuna umuntu ontshengisa ukuthi yena uvele ungumuntu onjani from the first time sibonana.
Oh, okay.
So wena relationship yakho previous ikwenzakalani?
Asiyalananga saphoma ukuthi sibe ngabangani. Yayifani yabo. Into ekhona umuntu lo wayethanda imali. Waqala umngani wami yabo. Sa decide ukujula.
And then
So manje sesijuwela laphana wayethanda imali kakhulu yabo. So mina ngisethi kanjani asifele kuba abangani, and she was cool with it yabo. So sagcina sisiba ngabangani. Yeah, so now she's my best friend.
phela kuthiwa lapho akama khona ayakeme khona. So kuwe kuya apply inkonko.
Ngizisa tsheli.
Ngithe lapho amanzi akehama khona ayaphinda ame. So kuwe kuya apply inkonko.
Yeah, so uhamba ukuthi wena unjani yabo. Ukuthi umuntu ohlukileyo asoze yama adlule. Yabo.
Asas.
Olungisa phela mama.
Mina ma drinks endlungizini.
Osumelele mina. So ngitshela mina ngini like kulo bhuti mina.
Well, ndabo bhuti abangu 3.
Bangakanani kuwe?
Abangu 2 bancane, oyi-1 mdala.
Oh, lo sisi.
Yeah.
Okay. So like I want to tell you into media like yasebenza or just yathanda media
Ngare sisafunda.
safunda or sesikolo.
Well, mina bengi-expecta uguy ofun. Uyabona uguy okwanisayo ukukreate ingxoxo. Uyabona uguy okwanisa okukhulumeka laye, ongakwanisa ukujoke around laye. Lwana uLeroy in a way ube ngani ukuthi maybe mina ngingathrowa any joke ubeza bangani uyazonda into ezinjalo. So akasi type ongaba free around yena ngoba yena ngokwakhe vele utense. So kuma bikes lapho lenza njani?
Indawo yangikhona yabuya as a family anti yabona. Like i-outing yabuya, then asoma quad bikes kuphela olama horse rides. Le team yabuya ikati speedboat, ama canoes and stuff yabo. Kodis.
Okay. So analokhu kwenza ngoba uyathanda ukwenzela ifamily nje kuphela.
I'm doing it for the family. Otherwise very ngiziboni ngihlala lapha next year.
Wonithandani kahle kahle?
Mina ngithanda. Okay, the thing is sungahleka ni Barry. I'm into wrestling yabo. So so maybe January ngayenza i-nurse aid yabona. Sengathola i-chance yokuthi ngithole ama-sponsors ngihambe e-States yabo. Then from States sengisebenza ngibhadele back ama-sponsors ami. Then after that sengaphezulu i-dream yami.
uLeroy ngimbona njengoguy ongela backbone kahle kahle. Ngoba awungeke uthi uyindoda u-expect ukuthi alright fine ngizathola imali endaweni enje ungayihaslelanga. For example laphana ekhuluma ngokuthi ufuna ukwenza i-Red Cross and then engenza i-Red Cross usezathola i-sponsor simuse e-America. I mean it's not guaranteed ukuthi ungayenza i-Red Cross uzathola i-sponsor esiza kuhambisa ngoba baningi abenza i-Red Cross abazihlaleleyo baswela ama-sponsors and abantu abaningi sebegijimela i-Red Cross. So mina kahle ngimbone enguguy ongani akayazi into ayifunayo. Mina kimi lokho kusawunda njenge-dream nje kuphela. Wona ubona niyaphumelela wena.
Anything is possible, bro. Like just do you yabo. Wena anti uthi i-dream but kuzayenzakala ungafaki lokusene.
I'm not sure about that. Well, mina angifilanga lutho olutheni ngoba ngihle ngabona ukuthi uguy lo vele uziphilela ku-fantasy yena. Akaphili emhlabeni oreal vele yena kwakhe swavela wazipendela owakhe umhlaba vele ukuthi yena vele ufuna ukuphila emhlabeni onje labantu abanje uyabona and kimi kube ngani too cheesy and I guess it was a turn off ngoba lakho futhi ufantasy yakhe ube include wrestling into but sesikhangela practical. I mean lapha hlala khona i-country asuka kiyo it's not possible. Yeah, to be honest it's not possible ukuthi abe yi-wrestler eli-successful ngoba sokulabantu abaku-industry vele for long before yena yabo.
Why?
Like into yakho ayikho practical enough.
No, it's okay for me. It's practical, but like because mina ngiyayibona isenzakala. When you may not believe in my dream, but one day sit okay, sit this day it doesn't go well. Uzambona se go TV one day semphuma so sit this guy was telling the truth. Gares semazweni ngisoza kubiza.
Well ku wrestling angeke survive ngoba mina mayimkhangele vele yabona ngoguy labana abashilthwa kakhulu ukuthi akusiguy oyazi i-rough world ephandle. Yena ukwazi i-soft life leyi ungani umuntu lwana owaphathwa njengeqanda kusukela esasemncane yabona. I don't think ukuthi ku wrestling engasurvive vele bengamchahla aqaleke kawa yabo. Mina I think ngizabelieve ngikubona njengo Thomas.
Ahora. So okay, like ufuna umfana onjani like exactly ukuthi ame njani type yankona. Queen sorry.
I-test yokudla kwakhe ngingathi it was okay, it was not good, it was not bad because ukhohle ukufaka amasosi yabona kwampana and ibhega liyenzelwe ukuthi libe lamasosi so yena washiya okunye lokungani i-test yangikhona bisingani isisiba ofunyana.
So wena like mina ngibona njani
Wena?
Yeah.
Ngubona ando clown. Not in a bad way though, but ungani the clown.
Yeah, clown nyafuma but like njani muhle ngono.
Ala ngeke ngithi umuhle angeke ngithi umubi. Right. I-physical appearance yakhe Ayingichazanga that much ngoba iscreamer cheese boy vele from afar. Uhluvela ubona ukuthi hayi lo cheese boy vele akabuzwa. So let's say date le ingaweka out to planani.
Amvuqa mina mangani. Ngiyibone weka out bro.
Okay.
One dala kolami yabo. Two ngibona ndiclown yabo. So umuntu obona mina like okay sesijolani like ngabona boyfriend yakhe le clown that's improper yabo. Ngifuna umbone ngumuntu serious about impilo like nxa usithi ukuthi ngiclown kungani angikho serious about impilo ngifuna kuba yimi nje like direction uthi ngifunani empilweni yabo.
Kodwa phela angeke uqambela amanga yabona ngutshele ngithi unje ungekho khona.
Yeah, la liqiniso li right yabo like abanye okay ama colors thanda ama clown nje. Uthi kofuna.
Hey, okay.
Yeah.
Well, I didn't care much for into ekade zitsho ngoba I felt like vele hayi angizange ngamfila njengoba ngishilo ekuqaliseni it's hard ukwenza i-conversation lo muntu o tense o serious.
Which music do you listen to?
Well, mina I listen to amapiano.
Amapiano. A girl who listens to amapiano. That's very odd.
I know.
Now, who's your favorite artist?
Usato.
Yeah, he's pretty cool. He's actually handsome. Is a guy. Nyavuma ukuthi la meter amfala lwana most yawo that outplayed plus lama songs akhe ado.
Okay, ukubona umunye uguy njengo emuhle yabona. Immaturity laphana eqinisweni beyi0.
So from here wethu
ngikhaya. Ungani ngumuntu lwana ongafuni uku-explore ama options into ezinjani? Out of 5 ifood yakhe ngathi 1.5. Yeah, 1.5. Njoba njilo nje ukuthi hayi like indlela ayenza ngayo vele ayingani i-test yangikhona yahle yavela yaba off ngoba wayengani ngumuntu ongela clue ukuthi yikuyini okubuya kuqala ama-sources lani wayengani umuntu ongela idea vele yento ayenzayo. No. Personality, I would say 2 out of 5. Yeah, personality yakhe I would say 2 out of 5. Yeah, njengomuntu njenge-anti-fan yama-cheese boy yabo. Yeah, ingathi 2 out of 5. Ngokuthi la ube ngani u-childish ingani hayi vele ube ngani off vele yena ngokwakhe. Well, going on a second date with Uliroy, it's a hell no. It's a no vele lwana ongabuzwayo. I wouldn't go on a second date with Uliroy. Hey guys, my name is Nothando Pepe. I'm a foodie lover and Uliroy was my date. Well, things didn't go as I expected. Ngoba sonke bekunganasila interest with each other, so yeah.